Hello everyone, my name is Awang Mirza Amiruddin from DE1. Today I'm going to present about oil and gas industry. Oil and gas industry is the most important sector in the world. This industry has shaped modern life, fueled economies, and provided the energy and materials that we all depend on every single day. Without oil and gas, our transportation, industry, and even many household products would not exist in their current form. The oil and gas industry is a global powerhouse. It deals with the exploration, extraction, refining, transportation, and marketing of petroleum and natural gas products. It is usually divided into three main sectors: upstream, midstream, and downstream. The upstream. This is the exploration and production phase. It involves searching for underground or underwater oil and gas reserves, drilling wells, and bringing raw hydrocarbon to the surface. Companies in the sector are called exploration and production companies. Companies E&P hire geologists who are responsible for finding oil and gas reservoir, land manager who are responsible for leasing mineral rights, and engineer who handle the number of tasks around drilling wells. The next sector is midstream. Midstream act as transport and logistics system. Once extracted, oil and gas need to be transported and stored. This is the midstream sector, which includes pipeline, shipping tanker, and terminal. Key infrastructure in the sector is pipeline, compressor station, pumping station, storage tank and terminal, LNG plant, and shipping facility. The next sector is called downstream. Downstream sector covers the refining of crude oil, processing of natural gas, distribution, and marketing of finished petroleum products. It is the stage close to the end user. Main activities in the downstream sector is refining, turning crude oil into fuels. Next one is natural gas processing, separating natural gas liquid and producing LNG. The next activity is petrochemical, producing plastic, fertilizer, synthetic rubber, and solvent. Distribution and marketing, transporting and selling petroleum products to consumers. Major product from oil and gas. First one is fuel. Fuel can make gasoline, such as petrol, main fuel for car and small vehicle, made by refining lighter fraction of crude oil. Diesel, used in trucks, bus, ship, and some car. Diesel is more energy dense than gasoline and efficient for heavy load. Jet fuel, specially refined kerosene used in aeroplane, must be extremely clean and stable at high altitude. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, mostly propane and butane, extracted during oil refining and natural gas processing. The next product is lubricant, lubricating oil and grease. Reduce friction in engine, machine, and industrial equipment. Every car engine runs on motor oil derived from crude. The next product is petrochemical, ethylene and propylene are called building block of petrochemical, usually used to make plastic. The product that we can see today is packaging, bottle, toys, and textile. Next one is fertilizer, made from natural gas derivative, essential for modern agriculture, feeding billions of people. Without petrochemical fertilizer, global food production would collapse. Importance of oil and gas. Oil and gas play a vital role in our daily life and the global economy. They power transportation, such as cars, trucks, airplanes, and ships. They are also used in electricity generation and industrial heating. They provide raw material for plastic, synthetic fiber, fertilizer, and even medicine. In fact, oil and gas contribute significantly to GDP of many countries. It provides millions of jobs worldwide and influence global trade and geopolitics. Challenge facing the industry. Despite its importance, the oil and gas industry faces major challenges such as environmental impact. Burning fossil fuels is a leading source of greenhouse gas emission, contributing to climate change. Oil spills and drilling accidents can also harm ecosystem. Next one is price volatility. Oil price rise and fall sharply depending on global supply and demand. It can creating economic uncertainty. Transition to renewable energy. With the rise of solar, wind, and other clean technologies, oil and gas companies are under pressure to adapt to a low carbon future. Geopolitical risks. Many oil-rich regions experience political instability, which can disrupt supply. The future, the future of oil and gas. Looking ahead, oil and gas will likely remain important for decades, especially in transportation and heavy industry. However, the future may look very different. Many companies are already investing in renewable energy, carbon capture, and cleaner technologies. The industry is beginning a transformation to balancing global energy demand and sustainability goals. To conclude, the oil and gas industry has been the backbone of modern civilization, powering our car, fueling our industry, and providing materials for countless products. At the same time, it faces serious challenge, especially concerning the environment and the shift to renewable. The future will depend on how well the industry can adapt, innovate, and move toward cleaner, more sustainable energy solutions. Thank you.